these tools aren't going away. I think the best thing you can do is get to know them, even if it's just personal projects and fooling around with ChatGPT. Understand what they do, see them as a tool, and then really double down on the qualities of what makes a good designer. How do you use these tools to build empathy? How do you use these tools to find the right problem? How do you use these tools to iterate on and find the best solution and test and then communicate those outcomes to others? I kind of shudder at the word or the expression soft skills, because I feel like it's so hard to quantify or communicate. And when I see it on a job application, like, what does that mean? How do you demonstrate that? But I really think that is true. As all of the little elements of our job, the discrete tasks can be offloaded, it then becomes what makes us uniquely human, and how do we make sure that's what we're bringing to this interaction, that it is, we double down on that aspect of being a designer and start giving those little tasks off to systems that can do it better and more quickly. So my advice is keep up with the tools, at least know what they are, experiment with them, but see them as a tool and know that your strength as a designer as it relates to empathy and curiosity and communication should be what you over-index on and try to improve in whatever way possible.
Great. Thank you for the